Under joint variation, a quantity relates with two or more quantities directly or inversely, or directly and inversely. So we have a question here to solve. The question says, if A varies directly as B and inversely as C, when A equals to 12, B is equals to 24, and C is equals to 6, find the formula that connects A, B, and C. So let's solve it together. So we'll have solution. So here we are told that A varies directly as what? As B, and inversely as what? As C. So let's introduce a constant. Our A will be equals to what? BK over what? C, where our K is a constant. So let's find the value of our K, which is the constant, for us to find the formula that connects A, B, and C. We are told that A is equals to 12, B is equals to 24, and C is equals to 6. So let's substitute all this into this equation, and that will give us what? Our A is 12, so we'll have 12 is equal, B is what? 24. We'll have 24 over 24K over, we have our C is what? 6. Okay? So here, let's cross multiply, or you can divide directly, or you cross multiply, anyone that you want. So let's cross multiply. If we cross multiply, that means we're going to have 1 times 24 will give us 24K is equals to what? 12 times 6 will give us what? 72. Okay? So let's continue from here. So divide both sides by 24 to find the value of your K. So that means that our K is equals to 72 over 24, and that will give us 3. So therefore, our K is equals to 3. For us to find the formula that connects A, B, and C, we need to replace our K by 3 in this equation. So that will give us what? Our A is equals to 3B over C. So this is the formula that connects A, B, and C. So thank you very much. Make sure you share this video and invite others to join this class. Our next video will be on partial variation.